guys, how's it going?
Thanks, Mrs. Beasley.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video of Redwood Prison. And this guy's staring at my face. And we have Sam, we have Sab, and we have Mac, and we have this rabbit. And today we're going to show you how to take over the prison. And I have a rusty keyboard. And we're also going to tell you how to tap dance. So all you need to do is be cuffed and today tap dancing. And welcome to the video.
And we are right now. Now, Helen, your job is...
Okay, now let's get started.
Blaine, you'll watch Curly Bill. Burgess, you'll handle Ike Clanton.
Now the
Next place on the
YouTube.
list is the Bugle Ranch, Tom Johnson's ranch, up in the eastern part of the territory. I'm going to stake out on that one myself. If they hit,
Oh, stop.
and see where they take it. Going alone? Yeah. I'll be in touch with Olmsted through the nearest telegraph in the area.
Matt, click the button. Click the button.
Let you know.
Get him.
The answer to those marks alongside the camp.
Let's get the M16. Well, I need it.
You and Joe, you
I
stay
need the
with
M16.
that. Now, we know very well that those marks are there for a good reason.
Right, I've been in a restricted area. Wait, what?
Officer,
Okay, I got my M16. Wait,
best of luck to you.
okay.
Joe.
Mac, guard at the cafeteria.
Yeah. Terribly taken care of.
Mac, two guards at the cafeteria.
Habit of thinking about tomorrow. And along comes a job like this, and you just can't afford to have that habit.
Matt Sloan moved into the eastern section of Arizona Territory to stake out the Bugle Ranch belonging to Tom Johnson.
Oh, Mac!
Days later, the break came. The Bugle brand was being rustled. Sloan
Mac, help!
followed the herd long enough to learn what he wanted to know.
Mac, I need to get out of my own
Some
health.
cattle were being taken across the border into Mexico.
Clanton was right. Sloan's finding out every move we make.
Yeah, this video. I don't think anybody's gonna be watching this video.
Wanna be looking right
If
now.
you see this video on YouTube, can you please like and subscribe? Just I want my
Sloan's
first
vital
subscriber.
information had to be sent to the Rangers in Tombstone.
I do this for the sake of YouTube, and I've been inspired by a YouTuber named Nat Nate. Please go check his videos out sometimes. They are really good videos. Half of these videos are going to be sponsored by Nat Nate. Some I might put a picture up one day. I might copy his link and that, put it in the description, and it'll be a good thing. Wondering if I'm not talking to my friends is because me and my dude Mac over here, we're both in a Discord together. And isn't that correct, Mac?
Thought it sounded pretty good myself.
He has surrendered!
Want to wait for an answer?
Yeah. Mind if I water my horse?
Help yourself.
He asked for it. He was running for the M16. He's running for it. Mac is making a break for it.
You all right?
Mister, you gotta get out of here. I only took this job
Mac!
because the doctor told me I needed it.
Got a row.
I heard the key going.
Your message came while the rocket was going on. Don't make much more sense than the one you sent.
The coded message from Joe Bugger asked Sloan to go into Mexico. It stated, "Urgent, you meet Burgess, Del Rio Cantina." By late afternoon, Sloan had crossed the border and reached his objective, the little village of Del Rio near near Cananea.
What is it, Americano?
Max, stop, stop.
You stay in your room alone.
Pray.
You like to be alone?
Sometimes. This is one of the times.
Then maybe tonight, senor.
Sure, tonight.
Mac, help! I can't move.
Hold on, man. I'm not.
Mac, help! I can't move.
Shot there.
Did you see who did it?
I'm literally not
You
joking.
can see his face. It came through the window.
Get some help fast.
Oh, yeah, okay. Thanks.
Ollie.
Mac, we got roguies. We got roguies.
What are you trying to say, boy? Ollie. Come on.
Mac,
Mac. Help. Get me to Colonel Amelia fast.
Of course, that is exactly what I had in mind. You're under arrest. Vámonos.
Mac, I can't click escape.
Take a look at that, Colonel.
My government has been informed of your secret organization. We have agreed to give you all the cooperation that we can.
Mac,
There was one of these in the dead man's body.
That's right. Burgess was assigned to follow White Clanton.
We know this kind.
I'd say that Burgess found out.
cell. Got to your cell. Got to cell.
You know, he got out one word.
Yes?
Alacron, something like that. Does that mean anything to you?
Mac, he's locked up.
It's a Spanish word for scorpion.
Prisoner 1 locked up.
That doesn't mean much.
Well, God 1 locked up.
Perhaps not, and perhaps yes. It might not be that he was talking about a scorpion.
Mac, Gods.
There's a
Holy.
mine kilometers from the Rio. It is owned by Senor Fernandez. It is called the Alacran. The Alacran is a silver mine.
Silver?
No!
I found this in
Ma!
Domingo's office. Wouldn't you say that looks like a scorpion?
See? The
Hold up, Mac, I'm just looking at my timer.
hotel.
Mac, we do have 7 minutes left.
And this would be a candlestick, could it not?
Could. Does that mean anything to you?
The Candelero mine, too, produces silver.
This could fill in
Holy
all
God.
those Faces.
Would you like to meet the owners of the mines?
No, we can't show our hands to anyone until we've got the whole operation pinned down. But I would like to pick up where Burgess left off before I go back across the border.
You will get all the help you need.
Thank you, Colonel.
Who killed him?
By the way, Burgess has no family.
Just decide where.
Got it.
No family. We will take care of him, Captain Sloan.
Dad, Bill Roche just rode back into town.
Would you
Mac,
tell me
Mac!
all the rumors you hear, do you?
Mac, help!
There has to be some truth in it. It's all over town.
Mac, we have a dragon.
Ringo said
Mac, we have a dragon on the
find
loose.
that Sloan and kill him. Bill Brocious was one of those men.
Yeah, honey. You've got to
I
forget
repeat, we
about
have a
Sloan's
dragon on the
boy.
loose.
Even if Sloan has been killed, you still don't know where to find the boy.
I've tried every way I know.
We have a
Nobody has
dragon.
any information.
We have a dragon to take care of.
Terry disappeared into thin air.
You know, honey, I think I made a big mistake. I shouldn't have asked you.
Mac,
to
I
stay
repeat,
here.
the dragon is very, very heavily armed.
We have whether you asked me to or not.
I know you would, but you need your own life. A husband you can look up to, your own family, not some other woman's child. Well, you hardly know Terry.
Mac, I think Seb might be a cop. I think Seb might be a cop.
Matt Sloan's dead. Terry's an orphan now.
Rip! Dang it.
Man like me gets older.
Mac, we have a dragon. We have a bald head. He shuts it.
Sweetheart,
Okay, Mac, are you ready? Breach.
Just like it's come out, all those men were
Never mind, do not breach.
He was trailing a
Mac,
herd.
Seb's a cop.
Why?
Our guys have turned.
Chased back here without learning anything.
Oh, hi.
Johnny. Leslie got gunned down.
Mac.
I didn't have a chance.
Don't tell me we're caught in the open. You just shot him in the back or ambushed him.
Our guys have turned on us.
Now,
Our people have turned.
Del Rio. You ever seen him before?
Nope. Probably up to the Alacran Mountain, that's all I know. He could have been one of Sloan's
Oh,
men.
get trolled.
I'll say this again, Johnny. As soon as Sloan knows everything we do,
Get
he'll
trolled.
try pushing us around.
He'll be coming back. And we'll be ready.
Come. Ah, Mac, he got me.
Just see one piece of that.
Burgess wasn't quite that lucky.
Was it I planned?
Mac, help. I'm dead.
How's Terry?
Oh, almost good as new. Still a little weak, but walking around.
That's good. We'll talk a while.
No, a new player, not someone who arrested you.
Don't expect too much from him, Matt. He doesn't want to feel this way. You know how he idolizes.
No!
He'll be doing it again.
Maybe it won't be too long before I'll be able to tell him the truth.
Burgess had something to tell you.
Yeah. I think he gave us a key to the whole thing, Pete. Smuggling.
Smuggling?
That's right. Smuggling silver. And this is the way I think the operation works.
No!
Cattle up here.
What?
Drive them across the border.
Mac.
Sell
Side has turned on us.
and mines.
Mac.
Smuggle the silver back up here into Tombstone. Rig it some way so they can get
Mac.
it to the American government.
Do you want to end it? Mac.
$25,000 worth of Mexican silver is worth $100,000
Mac.
up here.
That's right. There has to be an American mine tied in with it. You know, the American government won't buy
Oh,
silver unless
yeah.
it comes from one of its own mines.
We still have to know who's in back of the deal and what
Mac,
mine it's on.
do you want to end the video? I'll end the video here.
Pass the information on to the boys. Now I'll go and see Terry. I won't expect too much. Terry.
Your boss, son, he came back.
Pete here tells me you're feeling much better.
Where you been? Nobody would tell me.
Things aren't much like they used to be, are they, Terry?
Nothing's any good anymore.
Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. Seems like nobody else is going to join me for the outro.
I'm doing what I
Mac, we're going to join you in a minute, and I say goodbye to you all.